Alrighty guys, it's Angel on Wheels. Over here I have a 2024 Model 3. This thing does 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds with about 50-mile range. This is a very sharp car. Tesla has definitely done a good job on the redesign. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and then we'll go on a POV drive. Definitely the headlamps make this car look really sharp. Got cameras right there on the fender. And the door handle of these Teslas, the way these door handles are. Look at that. Excellent finishes here. This could have been a little bit better. Maybe there's like an accessory you can get. It is a little bit weird that there's no turn signal here. Let's step inside. Alrighty guys, so here we are inside of the 2024 Model 3. So everything is done through this display here. And they've done a very good job. Let's go ahead and put the key card right here so we can unlock it. Let's go to got standard acceleration. So we have interior lighting in here. You can choose your color. Let's go for red. All right, let's, oh, the part that's a little bit more, the part that's a little bit weird to me is the shifter here. Like, you know, I would have liked the physical shifter as long as my turn signals. What can we do? So that's drive, that's reverse, and that's park. Alrighty, let's go. Instant torque. I mean, if you've never driven an electric vehicle, you have to at least experience one. And because the battery is at the bottom, you know, it's got a low center of gravity, and so it handles really nice. Steering wheel can give you a little bit, the steering wheel could give you a little more feedback, but still it's very sharp, very responsive. And this is the weird part, right? So I don't have a turn signal here. So the turn signal is on the steering wheel. That's right here, look. Let's go. You know, the steering wheel, the shifter, I guess it becomes kind of second nature a little bit. Because when you do drive, like everything's right there. Another thing that's pretty cool is, you know, it kind of gives you a graphic here of what's going on out there, and it's pretty accurate. You know, there's cars coming in and out, showing you that right there. Light is red. Check that out. It's pretty cool to watch. And so when the light turns green, it makes like a little beeping sound too, to give you an audible alert. We're about to open this thing up. You're gonna see the acceleration of these cars. There isn't many things on the road here that can keep up with that initial acceleration. All right, check this out. If it wasn't for that car in front of us, we would be gone. Matter of fact, let's go. Not get in trouble. Let's take this thing back. Definitely does move. But at the end of the day, you know, the Tesla, this Model 3, is an excellent daily driver with the long range, and, you know, and the charging network. If you live in a populated area like the DMV area here, you know, you're gonna be fine. And if you have a charging setup at home, yeah, even better. Let's take this thing back. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. If you made it this far into the video and you like the video, go ahead and hit the like. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I got more stuff coming up, more vehicles coming up. Thank you so much. Peace.